What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can upload longer videos on your Instagram story. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do first, you have to open up your Instagram account. After going to Instagram account, you have to open up your profile. After going to your profile, you can see if I share this reel to my story, add to story, only 10 seconds or 15 seconds will be added on my story. So how can I add longer videos on my Instagram story? I am going to show you. So to add longer videos on your Instagram story, you have to click on your Instagram profile. You have to go to on home page and you have to click on your story. You have to click on add. After doing this, you have to select the video that you wanna add to your story. You can see I'm going to share this video. Okay, so after selecting the video, you can see this is the 1 minute video. All of the video, the full video length will be uploaded on my story. So this is how you can upload longer story that is 1 minute long. You can upload this to a story on Instagram. So this is how you can upload longer story on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.